Hello and welcome back to the Peachy Keens. Today we're in Orlando, Florida to show you the Santa workshop experience at Icon Park. Let's go! While there are QR codes located throughout the park to book your experience, I would highly suggest you do it ahead of time using their website. You'll just go to the Santa Experience website and then you will click on Book a Time. It will then give you the date as well as morning times and evening times, and then you can choose your preferred time. Once you click your preferred time, it will then take you to your details, and then it gives you the $21.40 charge. Depending on your tax, it'll probably be a little bit different, but that reserves your spot to get into the Santa workshop experience. Stay tuned to the end for details on things that come along with your ticket. As you enter this first part of the room, there are several areas where you will be able to pose your children for photographs. The people will actually help your children get in place so that you can take their picture. As you round the corner, you'll be welcomed by Santa. The photographer and his assistant will help your child sit by Santa and also help them to pose with Santa. While your children are posing for the variety of pictures, Santa will talk to them about their Christmas list and other things. They have props for your child to hold while they take the photographs, such as these gifts that you can see my children holding. And in addition to photographing all the children together, they will also individually take several shots of the children by themselves. The year we were there, they did allow parents to take their own photographs as long as you didn't get in the way of the professional photographer. While I did take some pictures of my own, I was so impressed at the variety of shots that they took of the kids that I went ahead and bought the digital download as well as some prints. After your kids visit with Santa and have their pictures taken, he has a special treasure box next to him where he will give the kids a special little Santa token to take home with them. Here's an example of one up close. When you're done with Santa, just beyond him is a mailbox where you can put your wish lists in for Santa. While the children are doing that, the parents can look at the different packages offered. Remember, you can use your $20 reservation fee towards those packages, which is a nice feature. There are a variety of packages to choose from, including a digital option. I believe each year the offerings are different for what comes along with the reservation, but for this year, for 2022, each child for the reservation receives a free ride on the giant wheel, as well as you can purchase adult tickets for half price. The children will also receive a free ride on the Carousel, which is normally $5 a child. Parents are also allowed to ride with each ticketed child. Thank you for joining us today as we visited the Santa workshop experience at Icon Park in Orlando, Florida. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up and be sure to check out our other Central Florida videos.
Have a Merry Christmas. Stay peachy.